In this session, we are going to see maths, real life applications of conics. Exercise 5.5. A bridge for sum. A bridge has a parabolic arch that is 10 meter high in the center and 30 meter wide at the bottom. Find the height of the arch 6 meter from the center on either sides. So parabolic arch on the bridge எப்படி இருக்கும்? You have seen, yeah, எப்படி இருக்கும் the parabolic arch? So it will look like this bridge. இப்படி தான் இருக்கும். So you have seen. From this we shall take only one arch. ஒரே ஒரு arch மட்டும் parabolic arch மட்டும் நம்ம எடுத்து find out பண்ண போறோம். Now draw a parabolic arch. அதிலிருந்து ஒரு part எடுத்துக்கலாம். This is a parabolic arch. Now you can see that this parabola is open downwards. So this is the vertex. Now let us draw x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis and draw y-axis. And this is the origin. A bridge has a parabolic arch that is 10 meter high in the center. So this is the center part. This is 10 meter height. So write 10 meter. Idode height evlo 10 meter. And 30 meter wide at the bottom. So this is the bottom, 30 meter wide. Since it is symmetrical, we take this 30 meter. We shall split it. This is 15 meter and this is 15 meter. Now let us plot the points. Assume this point as P. Now let us mark the coordinates. So this is the length 15 meter. Horizontal distance is 15 meter. And this is the perpendicular distance. Already it is given that the perpendicular distance. Idode height 10 and kuduthirukanga. So this is 10 meter. So this is 15, 10. But this lies in the fourth quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So let us put minus. Therefore, what is the coordinate? 15, minus 10. Now again see the question. You have to find the height of the arch. On the height 10 meter kuduthirukanga. But inga marubiyum height of the arch. Enga ketirukanga 6 meter from the center on either sides. அப்ப சென்டர்ல இருந்து 6 மீட்டர் எடுத்துக்கலாம் either sides. ஒன்னு இங்க இருந்து 6 மீட்டர் எடுத்துக்கலாம் அல்லது லெஃப்ட் சைடுல இங்க இருந்து 6 மீட்டர் எடுத்துக்கலாம். Now let us choose this one. இங்க இருந்து 6 மீட்டர் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Okay? So 6 meter. Assume this as 6 meter. அப்ப இங்க இருந்து you have to find the height. So இதோட height நீங்க find out பண்ணனும். Okay? Now assume this point. So இந்த point இருக்கு இல்லையா, இத நம்ம q னு assume பண்ணிக்கலாம். Again the horizontal distance is 6. So write 6 and the vertical distance. எப்பவுமே நீங்க points plot பண்ணும்போது axis ல இருந்து தான் நீங்க measure பண்ணணும். So இந்த சின்ன கேப் இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, ரொம்ப small gap இருக்கு. அத நம்ம y1 அப்படினு assume பண்ணிக்கலாம். So assume it as y1. So this unknown value, no minus and poda vendam, let it be as it is. So this point Q is 6, y1. We have to find this height. Okay? Now let's see the solution. So since this is equation of parabola, this is the madriyana type equation of parabola, open downwards. Open downwards. So what is the formula for this? X square is equal to minus 4ay. Now we have got 2 points on the curve. The parabola curve மேல 2 points இருக்கு. ஒன்னு வந்து நல்ல well known point. ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட்மே தெரியும். X point, Y point தெரியும். இன்னொன்னு வந்து unknown point இருக்கு. Okay? So இத இப்போதைக்கு எடுத்துக்க வேண்டாம். Let us first substitute the point 15, minus 10. So at 15 minus 10. So in the point I will substitute pannalam. Assume this as x and this is y. So in the place of x we substitute 15. So we have 15 square which is equal to minus 4a. In the place of y substitute minus 10. Now we have to find the value of a. இப்போ இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல a மட்டும் தான் unknown-ஆ இருக்கு. So A is equal to 15 square can be written as 15 into 15 divided by minus into minus is plus 4 into 10. Now let us cancel this. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Where edavadhu cancel agudha? Illa. Okay. Therefore, we have A is equal to 15 3s are 45 divided by 4 2s are 8. Therefore, the value of A is equal to 45 by 8. Name this equation as 1. Now, let us substitute the value of A in equation 1. So, put A is equal to 45 by 8. Put A is equal to 45 by 8 in equation 1. See, in equation 1 we have x square is equal to minus 4ay. That is, x square is equal to minus 4. In the place of a, substitute 45 by 8 into y. Now, let us choose the unknown point q. Q. What is q? Q is 6, y1. So, add 6, y1. So, in the place of x, substitute 6 and in the place of y, substitute y1. So, we have 6 square which is equal to minus 4 into 45 divided by 8. In the place of y, substitute y1. So, y1 namattu oru side assume panikalam. 6 square into 8, bring it here, divided by, inga minus irukku. So, minus endradha potukalam. So, divided by 4 into 45. 6 square நம்ம 6 into 6 னு எழுதலாம். So, இப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம். 6 into 6. Now, cancel பண்ணுங்க. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Again 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Therefore, we have y1 is equal to minus 8 divided by 5. So, when you cancel it, you get 5 1s are 5 and 0.6. So, we have minus 1.6 meter. y1 is equal to minus 1.6 meter. அப்போ இந்த சின்ன distance எவ்வளோ 1.6 நமக்கு தேவை இந்த height தான் நமக்கு தேவை. Therefore, the required height of the arch is, இதோடைய total length 10. So, 10 ல இருந்து 1.6 நம்ம subtract பண்ணலாம். So, we get 8.4 meter. Therefore, the required length of the arch is 8.4 meter. Thank you, children.